Free, free Palestine!
Free, free Palestine!
Free, free Palestine!
Free, free Palestine!
I'm gonna keep my speech a little bit short and just get us ready for the demo. 10th December 2023 was the first demonstration for Palestine in Woodsburg, organized just within 1 week by a group of 4 to 5 people just sitting outside a cafe. And here we are, 14 demos later, 2 encampments later, and countless Kundgebungs later, and a year and a half of a genocide later. Have we stopped? No. Will we stop? No. Should we stop? No. We won't stop until Palestine is free, until the apartheid regime is dismantled, until the settler colonial state breaks down, until Zionism is defeated, until children of Palestine get to run around the streets of Ramallah and Jenin freely, until Palestinians get to enjoy the beaches of Gaza, Haifa, and Jaffa freely, until Palestinians from Safad, Akka, and Bir Saba can return to their homes and use their keys that they have been treasuring since 1948, until the halls of Quds and Aqsa is full with cheers, unity, and celebration, until the pine trees of Israel don't exist anymore and the land blooms and olives live again. We will keep fighting for a free Palestine. Free, free Palestine! Free, free Palestine! Free, free
Palestine!
حرية حرية
حرية حرية!
فلسطين عربية
فلسطين عربية!
إسرائيل حرامية
إسرائيل حرامية!
إحنا شعب الحرية
نحن شعب الحرية!
حرية حرية
حرية حرية!
فلسطين عربية
فلسطين عربية!
وودسباخ bis nach Jenin تحيا تحيا فلسطين
تحيا تحيا فلسطين!
تحيا تحيا فلسطين.
تحيا تحيا فلسطين!
We are told our movements don't have an impact, our protests don't have an impact, there's no use, just give up. And that is the furthest thing from the truth. The Palestinian Solidarity Movement has never reached the global scale like it has in the past 2 years. And we are privileged to be a part of it and a part of this beautiful movement. As long as you are chained by the shackles of capitalism and its individualism, you won't see the impact even if it hits you in the face. Break out of those chains of capitalism, decolonize your minds, and you will see what impact means. The capitalist system sees you as a disposable clod. Get away from it, get against it, and that's when you see what impact looks like. Work for something, for a cause that's above all of us, that's for community, that's for liberation, and you will see what impact looks like. Like Mahmoud Darwish says, my liberation and freedom lies in what they don't want me to be. My liberation and resistance lies in what they don't want me to be. Liberation and resistance should be in your lifestyle, and you will see what impact looks like. The people you're standing up for, the Palestinians, they name their streets after you. We've had people in our collective being told by Palestinians that they will build houses for us on a free land. That's what impact looks like. Oppressed people come to you, come to us, they hug you. They feel comforted by you and cry with you when they feel seen and supported. That's impact. The International Court of Justice releasing a monumental statement, a statement of arrest against Netanyahu, that's impact. Cities, universities, institutions cutting ties with Israel, that's impact. The students' movement in Berlin and Munich managing to have a legal apparatus and suing their universities, that's impact. The hoax of Western democracy being exposed, that's impact. The global South united, a united space for decolonization of the world, a movement that calls for a free Palestine, free Congo, free Sudan, free Kashmir, all in one space. That's impact. So get up, get involved, act, resist, and become part of something bigger, part of the revolution. On that note, I want to introduce to you an action that's coming up, our third students' encampment. The University of Würzburg, with its ties to Tel Aviv University and Haifa University, and its ties to IBM and Cisco, is complicit in providing surveillance research that the IDF uses for targeting Palestinians. Our third encampment, named Ihtilal Sha'biya, which means people's occupation, is established to protest against it. It starts from May 19th, and it initially is there for 2 weeks. We have a good program coming up. It's near New University. Get in touch with us. For more information, follow our Instagram. We have people here with the banner as well. And join and do something and make an impact. Free, free Palestine. Sawrahat al-Hurriya, Chak Yurla, and Inqilab Zindabad. Free Palestine.